I am Aligir Lingappa, Assistant Professor in Physics, Government Postgrad College, Siriguppa. Today's my chapter is sound. So now I will discuss about laws of stretched strings. What are the laws of stretched strings? What about their statement? What is stretched strings? What happens if suppose the stretched string if it is disturbed and all those things. So consider two identical progressive waves A and B traveling with the same speed but opposite in directions along a string as shown in the text. Wave A travels from left to right and is represented by the continuous wave curve. A wave B travels from right to left and is shown by the discontinuous curve. When the two waves are superposed, the resultant displacement at any given instant at any place is given by the principle of linear superposition of waves. So consider two identical progressive waves, say A and B, where A is forwarding wave, B is a reflecting wave. Both they travels with the same speed along the same straight line, along the same string, but opposite in direction. They gets superposed such that the stationary waves are formed. According to the principle of superposition of waves, if crest of one wave falls on the crest of the other, or trough of one wave falls on the trough of the other, then the two waves are said to be superposed in phase, where the displacement is maximum, amplitude is maximum, intensity is maximum. Such a point is called antinode. Similarly, if a crest of one wave falls on the trough of the other, or vice versa, then where the displacement is minimum, amplitude is minimum, intensity is minimum, where the intensity is 0, such a point is called a node. That means the stationary waves along a stretched string which form series of nodes and antinodes. That means the system which consists of the number of segments or loops. So the distance between two successive nodes or antinodes must be equal to half of the wavelength. The length of two segments or loops must be equal to wavelength. So now let us discuss about laws of stretched strings. The laws of stretched strings were first given by Mersenne in 1636. The frequency of aberration of the fundamental node of a stretched string is given by F is equal to 1 by 2L into root of T by M. Let this is equation number 1. Where T is the tension produced in a string, M is the mass per unit length of the string, so called linear density of the material of a string. L is the length of string. So F is equal to 1 by 2L root of T by M. L length, T tension, M linear density. So the expression for fundamental mode of, that means the frequency of vibration of fundamental mode of a stretched string. Let this is equation number 1. So first law, so-called law of length. Then what about its statement? For a given wire of constant mass per unit length and tension, the frequency of vibration of wire or string varies inversely as its vibrating length. So-called frequency of vibration of fundamental mode of vibration, fundamental note in a stretched string, is inversely proportional to length of the string when a tension and a linear density are kept constant. So F is proportional to 1 by L when T and M are constants. This is known as law of length. So second one, law of tension. Then what about this statement? For a uniform string of given length and a material, the frequency of vibration of fundamental load of a string varies directly as the square root of its tension. That means the frequency of vibration of a fundamental load in a stretched string is directly proportional to square root of the tension produced in that string. So when length and linear density, if they are constant, kept constant, that means F is proportional to root of T for constant L and M. This is known as law of tension. So third one, law of mass. Then the statement, for a uniform string of given length and constant tension, the frequency of vibration of string varies inversely as the square root of mass per unit length, so-called linear density of material of string. For a given uniform string, for a given length and constant tension, the frequency of vibration of fundamental notes in a stretched string is inversely proportional to square root of the mass per unit length, is inversely proportional to square root of the linear density when a tension and a length, if they are kept constant. That means F is proportional to 1 by root M, where M is linear density, for a constant T and L, where T is tension and L is length. This is known as law of mass. So in this class, we discussed about the stationary waves, how the stationary waves are formed, what is the principle of superposition of waves, how the stationary waves which are formed along a stretched string, then the laws are related to the stretched strings, laws of stretched strings. So first law of length, second law of tension, third law of mass, and so on. Thank you.